Eastern PA Weather 30 meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for May 24th, 2018. For your Thursday, high pressure is going to be in control of our weather today, and much like yesterday in terms of what it was like in the afternoon, where we had very little in the way of cloud cover, they're going to have that for the entire day today. And high pressure is going to be moving off to the south and east, so it's going to mean a couple things. One, obviously you have the clear skies, and during the day, bright sunshine, clear skies overnight tonight, but you're also going to have very light winds with high pressure settling over the region. So still a light northwesterly breeze, so we're still going to have lower humidity over the region, but it will feel very comfortable today, and high temperature wise, we're right around what we were yesterday. But you'll see that high pressure move off the coast here on Friday. So here's a look at what we have on Friday. You can see it off the southeastern U.S. coastline. Not particularly strong. This isn't a very strong area of high pressure, so we're not getting to get the 90-degree temperatures here, but we're going to have the temperatures go up and the humidity go up. So we're kind of hovering around 80 degrees on either side of 80 degrees today for a high. And then once we get into Friday, we're in the more like the middle 80s, and we're starting to see some humidity come back into the region here on Friday, and that's going to hang with us on Saturday. As a matter of fact, it's going to increase even more so on Saturday. Here's what we're looking late on Saturday, though. We have partly cloudy skies for the most part for the entire day. Our southern areas, central and southern areas, could get into a late day thunderstorm. This is going to be very widely isolated. Okay, so very rogue storms, just pulsing storms type thing, these are just air mass thunderstorms. This is not part of an organized system. So there could be just a heat of the day, typical summertime late afternoon, evening storm, and it's going to encompass about 20% of our area that will actually see that. The rest of you will stay dry. So don't cancel any outdoor plans here on Saturday. If you're unfortunate enough to get one of those thunderstorms roll through, it's going to be a very isolated case in which that happens, I think, here on Saturday. Once we get into Sunday, though, we're going to have a backdoor cold front that's going to move from the from northern New England off to the southwest. I don't think it's going to get that far, though. There's some disagreement with how far southwest this gets. You can see how the isobars are turned in like this. See that right there? That is the backdoor cold front moving down to the southwest. This is looking early Sunday morning, I should say. GFS is much more aggressive with this and brings it all the way down to here. A little bit more aggressive with that frontal boundary. So there are some differences between the model guidance between the European and GFS, especially with how far southwest that gets, and that determines a lot of things, not only precipitation and where that sets up, because you will get precipitation ahead of this front. I'm going to move this to the next frame so you can see that. You can see some scattered showers and thunderstorms moving just ahead of that front. Still here at early afternoon, the front is still back here like this. Here's the backdoor cold front, but out ahead of it where you have the more unstable air mass and a tropical feed coming into here, you're going to have some scattered showers and thunderstorms moving ahead of this boundary here. So if this boundary is here, it's going to be right over northeastern Pennsylvania, central PA, southeast PA, parts of New Jersey. If it's further southwest, like the GFS indicates, it's going to be more of central Pennsylvania. Okay, so that's how that's going to work out here on Sunday. Either way, it's not a total washout, I think, at any given location on Sunday, but it is going to be the rainiest of the 3-day stretch between Saturday and Monday, which is the official holiday weekend. So we're going to have to wait and see how this transpires, but it does look like the backdoor cold front, at least on the European model, stays up in this direction here. So you'll have the focus is extreme eastern Pennsylvania and parts of New Jersey and Delaware versus central PA. Again, if that's more progressive, it's going to affect more of central Pennsylvania instead, and that will also, if it does get all the way out here like this, areas that are up here are going to be cooler on Sunday than currently forecast. We're expecting the temperature to be hovering around 80 degrees both Sunday and Monday. Not expecting this front to come this far southwestward, but this could be a change. We'll just have to wait over the next couple of days and see how that trends in toward one model or the other. Again, there's differences between the two, so we have to just wait and see how that plays out. But right now, it does look like Monday's going to be a lot better. And here is another front that's frontal boundary that's going to be off to the north, and this is looking at Monday. Nothing really going on, partly to mostly cloudy on Monday for the most part, but then you have scattered late day showers and thunderstorms. There's another little trough or front coming down here like this, and there's an area low pressure sitting up here driving this. So this is moving off to the south and east, and out ahead of it, central and northern areas could get into a late day thunderstorm. So these are widely scattered thunderstorms, though, here it looks like on Monday. So that's the call for right now for the weekend. Again, this is still subject to change. We're still kind of fine tuning and tweaking a little bit. But this is the general idea. We're probably going with very low chance, 20% chance for a late day storm on Saturday, probably 60% on Sunday for most areas. And then once we get to Monday, it's probably down to a 40% chance. But you still have the opportunity for that to be in the latter part of the day here on Monday versus earlier. And Sunday could be just about any time. You could have some showers or storms move in actually early afternoon or maybe late morning already on Sunday. So best outdoor day is going to be definitely Saturday during that stretch, but Monday doesn't look too bad either. And then once we get to Tuesday, the front's off to our south. We have high pressure control, so we should have partly cloudy skies, maybe partly to mostly cloudy initially, then partly cloudy skies here on Tuesday, and then the same thing here for Wednesday with partly cloudy skies expected. We're going to have a late week system to deal with next week. This is actually the remnants of that tropical system that of interest, the Invest, that is going to be hanging around the northern Gulf and making landfall at some point. Maybe over the weekend. We'll have to wait and see how that works out. But it's going to get kind of hung up down here, give them a lot of rain in the southeastern United States. Not so much when it comes up in this area, more showery type stuff. So we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Just look ahead to that at the end of the next week. We have the opportunity on Thursday and Friday to have something coming into our region with scattered showers and perhaps thunderstorms. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchers. That is your outlook for May 24th, 2018. Have a great Thursday.